All right, here's a quick one. So we've just put new cables in our road brakes. How do we know how long to cut it off if we're, trying to have good attention to detail? Well, if we line up our side cutters with the bottom of this bolt about there and cut the cable there and then sort of straighten it out, that is your good attention to detail. So we'll take an end, and I'll try and do this with one hand, which I imagine is going to be quite difficult. And if we put our cable end on, push it on. So I push my cable end on and I do 3 crimps. So 1, 2, 3. Boom. Perfect. So I've got 3 crimps here. Cable end is chopped off at the end where the bolt is. That could have been a little bit shorter, but I was holding the camera. But yeah, that's proper attention to detail on a brake caliper. I've got the rear one to do as well. With your front and rear gear cables, you just do a similar, I do about 1 inch, and I make sure these are even. So this one could do with a bit of straightening. There we go. So this one was coming out here. I chopped it off at about 1 inch, bent it slightly, and then did 3 crimps. Same with the rear one here. And then we'll just finish this one off. So again, we line up our cutters like this, cut it, and without losing the camera, and then we just do 3 crimps. 1, 2, 3. That one looks pretty average, the crimps, because I was obviously holding the camera. But then if we have a look here, it comes down level with our brake nut, and that's how you get attention to detail on a cable. Found that helpful? Leave us a like. If you have any questions, leave us a comment, and thanks for watching. Oh, and if you want to see more of my videos, click subscribe.